Ah, the mighty forklift. Every day these powerful machines lift and transport heavy loads, playing a crucial role in numerous industries. But even these strong and sturdy workhorses need a little TLC. You see, routine maintenance isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Imagine this. One fine day, your forklift just stops in its tracks. The engine refuses to roar, the forks won't lift, and you're left with a mountain of work and a machine that's more of a roadblock than a tool, not a pretty picture, right? That's where regular maintenance comes in. The first step is a simple visual inspection. Look for any signs of wear and tear, like cracks or dents on the body, or leaks underneath the machine. These could be early warning signs of a potential issue. Next, turn your attention to the tires. Check for any punctures or cuts and ensure they're inflated to the right pressure. Remember, the stability and safety of a forklift ride heavily on its tires. Now pop open the hood and check the engine. Look at the oil level. If it's low, top it up. And while you're at it, check the air filter too. A clean filter ensures a smooth and efficient run. The forks are up next. Check them for any signs of damage or distortion. If they're not straight and strong, they could fail when lifting a load, and we don't want that, do we? Finally, don't forget the safety features. Test the lights, horn, and brakes. A safe forklift is a well-maintained forklift. So there you have it. Routine maintenance of a forklift is as simple as these 5 steps. Visual inspection, tire check, engine check, fork check, and safety features check. Regular maintenance might seem like a chore, but it's worth the time. It not only keeps your forklift running smoothly, but also extends its lifespan, prevents breakdowns, and most importantly, ensures the safety of the operator. So remember, a well-oiled machine is a happy machine, and a happy machine makes for a smoother, safer, and more efficient workplace. Take care of your forklift, and it will take care of you.